Hey everybody, it's Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas video. I'd like to thank Bradford Ferguson of Halter Ferguson Financial and all of my patrons. Your support and encouragement has been important to getting these videos done, so thank you very much. Let's look at Tesla's planned schedule coming up. 30 December is the first dry-in. That'll be the main focus for right now. As a reminder, that's when interior work on the buildings can commence. So that's quite an aggressive schedule for right now. So we need some indicators and some timelines, and that's what this is, to see how well they're doing to get to that schedule. Looking at the near term is getting ready for the electrical, plumbing, foundation grading, excavation, and preparation for concrete is what's important at this moment in time, and that's what's going on. The 2nd of October looks like the target date for concrete to actually start. And significantly, yesterday, the 24th of September, rebar, forms, and other equipment arrived on site, which is an excellent indication that we're on track. These are some other indicators I came up with to take a look at in the short term. And as an example, we'll look at where we are at with that. The pond draining and filling to extend the foundation is in progress. The foundation excavation, reinforced footers, ground clearing is in progress. The staging area could be in the switchyard area. We're still looking for that. Rebar deliveries have begun as of yesterday, and of course, on-site production of concrete is important, and that is ongoing as well. Speaking of which, up into the north, we now know that the mobile concrete patch plant is being installed, and that's where the cement and water aggregate will be mixed so that we have concrete. As you see in this picture, there's some mixing tanks, 2 of them that have been brought on for storage and stable temperatures. They've also brought on a large number of water tanks, and the volume of these right now that you see in the picture is over 100,000 gallons. Over on the east side, we can see some other parts of the mobile batch plant being prepared for installation, and I would expect to see this moving over to the north pretty soon. This is from Vince Hagen, the company that makes that mobile batch plant. These are some of the equipment that we will see. Interesting thing is that it can be set up within 4 hours, not using cranes, and it can do 400 yards of concrete per hour, which Giga Texas is definitely going to need. This is from their brochure. I won't go through every single thing. The link is in the description of the video and also on the slide. But this gives you an indication of the type of equipment that they will be installing and what that mobile batch plant will look like when it is complete. So check it out if you want more information that's on the video. Looking south at the casting or the stamping area, good news is it looks like the floor has been established, and they were finishing up preparation of that yesterday, which means that the beginning of rebar and other necessary parts for the footers, very similar to what you see here at Giga Berlin, thanks to Tobias Lind. I would expect to see this starting up in the next few days. Speaking of rebar, yesterday, the 24th of September, Jack, one of the members of the Quad Squad drone team here at Giga Texas, captured footage of the rebar being delivered. And very shortly after that, the Keystone contractors started taking that rebar and making it into forms already. So excellent indication that things are moving along. One of the other indicators we should see just before concrete is poured is these trucks, and a large quantity of them. These are boom concrete pump trucks, and they use a remote controlled articulating robotic arm that can place the concrete very accurately over large distances. These are used in larger construction projects commonly. They can pump a very high volume of concrete, and also they represent a labor savings because of the nature of how that's done. So anyway, that's a quick update of where we are with Giga Texas. Hope that was informative. So let's go ahead and take a flight and see what it looks like out there today.